One more time, Balaton, make some motherfucking noise! Raise your hands up to the sky, Balaton! You guys have been an amazing fucking crowd tonight. I want you to know, Dimitri Vegas and Like Mike got nothing but love for you, baby! Boys and girls, right now, I'd like you to make some noise for my brother, all the way from Tomorrowland, the one and only Dimitri Vegas!
Another head hangs slowly, child is slowly taken. Violence causes silence. Who are we mistaken? What do you see? It's not me. It's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head. What's in your head?
Rewind!
Alright, now here we go.
Beautiful people, I'm afraid we have almost come to the end of our set. Balaton, did you guys have a good fucking time out there? When I say what do you want, you say one last track. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? All right, Vegas. Drop it, brother.
All right, boys and girls. This track right here is something we just released. It's something we're very proud of, and we're really happy that you guys are enjoying it so much. So grab your cameras, grab your iPhones. This is Dimitri Vegas and Like Mike featuring Wiz Khalifa, When I Grow Up.
One more time, Balaton, throw your hands up to the sky right now. Let's get it.
When I grow up, I wanna be like Wiz Khalifa. Have lots of cool stuff. When I grow up, hear my music through the speakers. I wanna feel love. When I grow up, I wanna have enough to pay the bills and buy my mama a house upon a hill. I wanna be like Wiz Khalifa.
When I grow up.
Yeah, Mike out through them trees. It's true if you believe you can get anything you want to achieve. And that's worth to everything tatted on my sleeve. It ain't what you see, the G is underneath. I've left plenty positions of feeling comfort. When shit ain't cool, fools run for it. You gon' remember my name when I'm done with it. And when it's said and done, I'll be at the top where the summit is. 10 toes, we the ones who run it. Everything running smooth, there ain't no dysfunction. If we talking money, homie, that's a good discussion. I'm talking motivation with no interruption.
When I grow up, I wanna be like Wiz Khalifa. Have lots of cool stuff. When I grow up, hear my music through the speakers. I wanna feel love.
When I grow up.
I wanna have enough to pay the bills and buy my mama a house upon a hill. I wanna be like Wiz Khalifa.
When I grow up.
When I grow
One last time, make some fucking noise! Hey, hey! Belgium!
See you guys at the finals!
Balaton, one last time! Here we fucking go, yeah! When I grow up.
100% I'ma always give my all, yeah. Haters talking down and wishing that I fall, yeah. Every time I get a chance, know that I ball, yeah. Anytime I need my game, they're right there for me. I go hard, yeah, from the start, yeah. Never tried to rush things, I play my part, yeah. Never said it's easy, they can make things hard, yeah. Every time you see me, look like we before me. I'm a star, yeah, living large, yeah. Look at me like a boss because I made the cars, yeah. Had to slow it down, I had too many bars, yeah. Now I got the younger kids singing out.
I wanna be like Wiz Khalifa. Have lots of cool stuff. When I grow up, hear my music through the speakers. I wanna feel love. When I grow up, I wanna have enough to pay the bills and buy my mama a house upon a hill. I wanna be like Wiz Khalifa.
When I grow up.
When I grow up.
Balaton, you guys were awesome tonight. And before we go, I just want to ask you guys one last time to make some noise for the one and only, my brother, Mr. Like Mike!
Yeah. When I grow up. When I grow up.
Balaton, is there anybody out there? I said, is there anybody out there? Is there anybody out there who would like to hear some more music? All right, we can do it, but you guys are gonna have to help us out. We want to bring something back. We need everybody from the front to the back to take off their fucking shirts.
Take your shirts off, take your fucking shirts off. Take your shirts off, take your fucking shirts off. Take your shirts off, take your fucking shirts off. All the guys, maybe even some of the ladies, take off those motherfucking shirts. Balaton, are you guys ready to bring it back one more time? Let's do this! Yeah, swing it. Let's do it. Okay, one last time. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's get it. 3, 2, 1, go. One last time. Hey!
Balaton, if you don't give a fuck, make some noise! All right, we're gonna try something. I need everybody who's holding a t-shirt to hold it up into the sky. I wanna see all the t-shirts up into the sky.
Show me those t-shirts.
And when the beat drops, I want everybody to throw their t-shirts up into the sky.
We want to see them fly high up to the sky.
Are you guys
Balaton, are you
ready?
fucking ready?
Let's do this!
Thank you, Balaton. You guys were amazing. See you next year. Peace.